Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out really easily. You can do this to emphasize a point, to add camera movement, or to add comedic relief. I do this in every edit. It's super easy. Let's just get into it. So there are two ways that you can zoom in and out, but today we're going to focus on the Ken Burns effect. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's great for beginners. So let's start by selecting your clip on the timeline and then click on the crop icon above the viewer and choose Ken Burns. You'll see two frames, start and end. Start is green, end is red. These determine where your zoom begins and ends. So let's adjust the start frame to set the beginning of your zoom and make sure it frames your subject just how you want it. I'm gonna keep start where it is because I just want to zoom in. Next, you want to click on the end frame. This is where the zoom will finish. So you can adjust this in or out. A little pro tip that I use all the time, you can reverse your zoom by just clicking this button right here and it will reverse the entire zoom. When you're done with your zoom and you like how everything looks, just press done. Always preview your effect to make sure it flows well and looks really good. We didn't dive into keyframing today. That's another excellent technique for more advanced control, and we might explore that in future tutorials. Told you that was easy. If you like these types of videos, I have a whole playlist of tutorials where you can learn start to finish how to edit a video in Final Cut Pro. I'll list that below. Also, I make videos every 2 weeks. Subscribe and hit like if this was helpful, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks.